Are you wondering how to upload your digital scrapbook pages to Shutterfly for printing as photo prints or photo books? I'm here to help.
G'day! I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. I'm here today to show you how you can upload and order prints from Shutterfly. Here we are at shutterfly.com, and the first thing we're going to do is upload some photos. So let's click My Photos. If you haven't signed in already, you'll be prompted to sign in or sign up for an account. To upload photos, just click on the upload button in the top right corner and then choose My Computer for your digital scrapbook layouts. I'm going to hold down the Control key or the Command key on a Mac to select multiple photos at once. You can see that progress by clicking on the little icon in the bottom left corner. But you can continue on with your work as long as you keep your window open. Just going to upload one more photo. Now, if you change your view to date uploaded, you'll see the 4 photos that I've just uploaded appear. Then I'm going to click on these 4 photos and I can choose to add them to an album, or I can choose to create a product with them, or just simply order prints. So for today, I'll show you how to order prints. I'm going to choose to order 8x8 prints because my scrapbook layouts are all square, but you have the choice to order 12x12s here as well. You'll see at the top here that you have options to select to have all of the photos printed in these common sizes. So I'm going to choose matte 8x8 and add them to cart. I can customize the sizes here, and I'm just going to click add to cart for now. So this will give me 8x8 prints that are individual photos that I can then slip into page protectors for an 8x8 album. But of course, I can always create a photo book as well. I'll show you briefly how to create a photo book in Shutterfly for full page digital layouts. I'm going to choose the 8x8 size again, but you can choose any of the options they have. If you choose the scrapbook theme, you'll see one of the options here is the DigiScrap photo book. This is pre-made especially for us digi-scrappers. So click on that one and you can see that it already has photo spots for our scrapbook pages. Let's click personalize. I'm just going to click on recent uploads to get to those photos I just uploaded. I'm going to select all of them and click add. You can choose to have help placing your photos or place them yourself. I'm going to click no, and then we can add our own pages wherever we'd like them. Because this style is already set up in mind for digital scrapbookers, the photos go right to the edges of the pages. I'm going to click and drag, and you can see that this layout fills up the whole page. And again, and again. The DigiScrap style really makes it super easy to put your digital scrapbook pages into a photo book. There's lots of fancy options and things you can tweak with Shutterfly. This is a simple way to get started printing your pages. I'm just going to save my book, and then I'll show you how the purchasing process goes. We'll click to add it to cart. They will offer you a lot of upgrades, so I'm just going to click no, and eventually we'll get to our cart. We'll click on cart and you'll see here's our prints and our photo book. We can go ahead and add any promos, gift certificates or gift cards, and then just click to check out. It's pretty simple, although you do have to be sure to watch those upgrades. I mean, it's beautiful to add a box if this is going to be a gift, but if you don't go with the extras, Shutterfly is a pretty affordable and reliable way of getting your digital scrapbook pages into print. I've used Shutterfly books for about the last 10 years, and I've been really happy with the quality for the price. I hope this video has been helpful.
Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.